Hello and a happy Vlogmas week 4. Cannot believe we are in week 4 of Vlogmas. Like in a few days it's going to be Christmas. Absolutely insane. So today we're just doing a really natural makeup look. We are actually gonna go and shop for some Christmas cards because I still have to get those, and wrapping paper because I want to do the potato stamp thing that I showed you in week 1 of Vlogmas. So I want to do the potato stamp thing. I will show you on like one gift how I do it, and then just do the other gifts, and then show you how I wrap it. And I think that's that. Like majority of the gifts are already bought. I think I have to just wrap one more gift. I just want to quickly do like a natural makeup look. I think we are going to this week because I think there's 4 days until Christmas. I think so. I actually want to show you the advent calendar that I got from Avon. I just want to show you all of the goodies that I got. I'm just going to, there's already some of them that I opened, so I will show you all of them. And then what else? Something else that I wanted to tell you. Oh, we are going to bake some cookies that I also want to gift to my future in-law, my parents. I'm baking some cookies for them. I will show you that. And then also I'm going to go buy the table decor. So I finally decided what style I want to go for with the gold knives and things. So I will show you what I got there. And then also what else? Oh, I will show you, obviously I will show you what we get up to in the rest of this week, and then also I will share how I will decorate the table for Christmas Day. I will vlog all of that, or at least take like a video of the final table. I really finish with the rest of my makeup, and then we're gonna go shopping for the Christmas cards, the table decor goodies, and I will show you the rest of everything else that I get up to. Let's get snowed in somewhere, you and me. I'm writing Christmas postcards out by the pool. So I'm just gonna quickly vlog on my phone. My camera's for my batteries for my camera are charging. We just got back from shopping, and oh my goodness, it is pure chaos. I couldn't find green, like not the Christmas green, but more like a olivey, color green. I couldn't find that anywhere. Went to Miss Price at home, like literally every single homeware shop, and I could not find it. So the idea that I wanted to do with one of my mom's serviettes is like kind of like this. Are you able to see? So it's like a serviette Christmas tree. So this was the idea that I had, and then I'll put like a little star, and then I bought like these mini chocolates from, I bought these mini milk chocolate hello balls. I bought these mini ones, so they're like literally super small, these gold and everything. Mini ones that I'm going to put on the serviette like as baubles, so it's gonna be super cute. I kind of like the idea. So we couldn't find any green serviettes, so my mom was like, why not buy a wedding larkin? Is the larkin a fitted sheet? Why not buy a fitted sheet So we got a fitted sheet. The color is pistachio, so this is from Sheet Street. And my mom was like, why not buy this? And then you can take the serviette size, place it, and then just cut it. And she can literally, because she can do, so my mom can sew. So it was like, why not? Because she doesn't have green serviettes either. So she was like, okay, let's buy this. Because it's basically the same material. Cut out the shape of a serviette and just sew it, or like all of the free edges. And I was like, brilliant. And this is the, like, this was the exact color that I was looking for. The name is Pistachio. Got the placemats, the natural placemats, and these were $2.69, so basically $2.70 from the price. And they literally smell like grass. Literally exactly what I wanted. And then we also got sugar cones. I'll pop a picture up of the idea that I want to do. I'm going to put cake mix in the cone, and then on the tips, on the pointy side, like where you would hold the cone, we're going to do like white icing, so it's going to look like a icing tree. And I actually want to show you, you can probably see it in the back. So these were the candle holders that that I spoke about. I think I did speak about it in Vlogmas week 1. So I'm going to place these in the center of the table with pine leaves or pine stems. I'm going to place these white candles. These were the knives and forks. Like you can see, it comes in a wood box. So these are the knives and forks, like the cutlery set. I'm so sorry if you can hear that. My dog is literally chasing his own tail. Is he klar? These were the knives and forks that I spoke about. So very antique. Literally, like, look at that detail. And these are 24 gold plated. So they are still in their packages and everything. So these are the forks, like, gorgeous. These are gorgeous, and I really think it's gonna look so beautiful. Like, look at that. We also got the paper. As you saw, we got the paper as well as the cute little tabs. And I still have to show you the advent calendar that I got from Avon, all of the goodies that I opened so far. Let's get wrapping, let's do the presents. I'm so excited just to see what the overall look is. I'm so excited to see what it looks like. I love like doing like DIY gifts and things like that. Like, it's not a DIY gift, but like the wrapping paper. So I'm so excited. So let me take you along.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things.
Good morning everyone and Merry Christmas to you and your family. I'm getting ready. It's Christmas Day. Oh my goodness. I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna curl my hair with this little one from GHD. I'm just spraying a little bit of dry shampoo. Just finished the salad. I will leave all of the ingredients, recipes, everything in the pinned comments or in the description, either. Yeah, I'm quickly going to do my hair, my makeup, because I still have to do the table, and then I'll just probably show you snippets here and there. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the day, and I hope you are enjoying Christmas, and I hope you are spending it with your family wherever you are. I hope you are safe, and I hope everybody in your family is safe. And yeah, it's just the time to be grateful and festive. So let me quickly finish and then I can get to show you how I do the table.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim this year I'll think about how I'm so lucky to have a place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way.